Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today with my CZ457 with the factory barrel, we're going to shoot the Tenex like we saw the other week. This is Tenex Pistol. We saw it the other week and it shot really well. $24.99 a box, so it's not cheap stuff. And it's not that flat tip with a nipple bullet, it's more just a round nose. So I'm imagining it would work pretty good in a semi-auto rifle as well, which I might try at one of these or at one point coming up soon. But for now, we have to see how this does in the factory rifle at 200 yards. We have a slight breeze. It's kind of cool out today too. And doing a little more research, I found that a lot of the bullets that are right at the edge or just breaking the sound barrier as it leaves the muzzle and then slows down are a lot more accurate than bullets that shoot below or well over. So as close to the sound barrier as possible basically is like the most accurate I found. And these are right there, like they're shooting at 1080, 1090, and it's just about 1 degree. It's pretty cool, but the sun's really hot, so it's not cold. But these are smoking along pretty good. And before I forget, I might as well plug this in so we actually get the values and make sure the wire's not touching the barrel. Hopefully there's no glare in that screen for you guys. And now let's get the shooting. So at 200 yards, I'm up 6 mils. And it looks to me as though the wind is blowing directly away from us. But there is in my yard here kind of a right to left breeze in the first 50 yards. Well, it looks like it died down. So before we waste any more time, let's get shooting. And it came back up again. So I'm just gonna shoot my first 10 shots at dead center. We'll try to get our 0 dialed. So 6 mils up, here we go. I think we went over there. A little bit of turbo boost from the wind behind, I guess. All right. Well, we gotta get on paper first. Elevation's pretty much perfect, but we're over to the right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so we have to go left. That should do it. Now, hopefully we're on center. Cold bore shot could have been way off as well. I'll shoot a couple more. Okay, we should be pretty close to center now. So much mirage, it's crazy right now. So it looks like we're hitting where we're aiming now. Move on to our first 10 shot group, top left. Wow, that mirage, killing me. Way left. And we have a left to right breeze now. I won't make any more adjustments now till the next target. Okay. We're basically back where we started now for windage. And I could tell already that this stuff doesn't shoot as well in this barrel as it does in the IBI. Way better in the IBI. But let's go to group number 2. And we're gonna do top right corner. Almost off the right edge. Coming in though. So I don't have any clue why the group walked from the right over to the left, but it's kind of stabilized there now, and definitely not shooting as good as the IBI barrel. So now we'll go down to the lower right target. 10 shots, here we go. A lot of right to or left to right breeze right now. Not a bad group. Not a bad group at all. And we have one more try. So let's not waste them. Build a better position behind the rifle. Makes a huge difference, as you saw in my last group there. Okay, so pretty solid feeling now. Wow. What the heck is going on? Something is happening. Because I'm 0.8 mils to the right now. The wind's gusting to the right, but it's not 0.8 mils of a hold right now. Oh, maybe it is. It's pretty windy looking, actually. Well, that's a terrible group. It's blown 0.8 mils, 0.6 to 0.8 mils to the right of where I was aiming. The mirage is also playing a huge factor right now because everything's moving in my in my field of view. But it is what it is. So 10X pistol works a lot better in the IBI barrel rather than the stock CZ barrel. It is what it is. Hopefully we got all the chronograph data. If you guys can make any sense of that stuff. And that's it for today. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next week. Take care.